Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to change a reverse light switch on a Hyundai i20 from 2011, and the reverse light is not working in both sides, and sometimes it did work, sometimes it did not work, but when it did not work it was in both sides, so I could pretty clearly guess that it would be the switch sitting on the gearbox. And this Hyundai is, I think the model is from 2007 to 2011. Yes. So let's look at it. And first I was told that I probably have to remove the battery and the battery box, which I did. But then it turned out that that was not necessarily. So, because it's actually, you can see, I don't know, is it possible to see, but down here at this, there it is. There it says, so the battery is there, and it's just besides. There are two plugs down there, two switches. I think the other one is the oil switch light, the oil light or something like that. But it's there, and on the side of the plug, you just have to press it and work it a little bit because it can be stuck. So don't just pull and pull. Don't get angry and just pull it, because you might ruin it. So, you know, it's almost like this. Can you see, like a type like this that you have to press and then pull it out? But work it a little bit, and you can see the old one here. So you got it here, the old one, which is the switch in itself, which doesn't work anymore. So it has got stuck, you know, from, yeah, you know, this is 13 years old, so no wonder. And when you have to remove it, it's quite easy. Take 2 minutes, and this, it costs nothing. I mean, buy it, not unoriginal, and then it costs nothing. And the only thing you need is a 24mm top key, I don't know what you call it, top wrench or whatever, but you know it. It's extra long, and it's quite cheap to buy. You can see this is the usual length, which is far too short, because you have to be able to get into this, you can see. So yeah, so that's it. It takes like 5 minutes, and it's quite easy. All right, cheers, bye.